since the launch of Deepseek R1, everyone is going crazy about that, and even if I just type in D, I see that Deepseek R1 is coming in my Google search at the first. So let's see what it is. Deepseek is basically one large language model. Today we are going to install Deepseek R1 locally on our Linux machine. Let's see how to do that. To install that locally on a Linux machine, what I'll do, I'll simply use Google Cloud Shell, which is ready to use and which is completely free. It will take a while to provision my machine on the cloud, and here I go. Even it has one cloud code editor that is also really handy. So this is our Linux. So let's see what is the version. So if I run this command to check the release version, it is basically using Ubuntu 24.04, and this Cloud Shell is having almost all the development environment including Python, Go language, Terraform or anything that we require for any of our job to be done. So enough about Cloud Shell. Now let's see how we can install very easily our Deepseek R1. For that, what I'll do, I'll use Ollama.com or this Ollama, which is basically one large language model deployment software, and it is really very easy. Along with this Ollama.com, I'll just click on this GitHub in a new tab also, and it has some nice instruction in the README page. All we have to do is, we'll just take this command, which is curl sh file, and this one. Let's grab and copy this. I'll go to my Cloud Shell and just paste it. Here is my command, hit enter. It will try to download all the bundles from Ollama, and as this is a Cloud Shell from Google Cloud, the download will be much more faster than our local machines. And obviously I'll be giving all the links in the description section, check that out. And it is giving some warning that it does not have any GPU or anything like that. That's absolutely fine, as I know this is CPU only. Our Ollama installation is done, and we can run basically Ollama just to check if it was installed properly, and we see that command is working. Let me clear up my screen. And Ollama is not only for Deepseek R1, it can help you to deploy other language models as well, as you see on our screen. What I'll simply do, I'll click on models here, and here are few models which we can try. And before that, okay, I need to run the Ollama service. So for that, what I'll do, Ollama serve, and this is how it shows on the screen. Hit enter again and everything should be fine. Now I need to run Deepseek R1 on top of this Ollama. So I'll just simply click on Deepseek R1, the first link over here. You will see some versions are there. These are the versions, and up to 40 GB, the biggest version it is here. But for our demonstration, I'll take the smaller one, which is 1.5B at the top. Let's change that. And here are some instruction detailed things. Simply what we can do, we can take this command Ollama run Deepseek, and with that version, just copy that here, paste it in your Linux environment, hit enter. It is now downloading everything. Yep, it is really quickly installed, and we are at the prompt. And maybe let's try some chatting with that. Hello there. It is thinking, and it is saying, hello, how can I assist you today? And some seconds, how much time it took to respond. So let's ask some other questions. Can you give me a Python program to calculate sum of two numbers? Let's see how it responds to that. Now it is generating the number. It has defined one method or function, and here it is. Really cool. It is running locally, and it is even explaining all the things. And as you see, the API server is running locally on the local host, which is 127.0.0.1, and here is our Python program. Okay, I think it is working good. Maybe we can explore more on next episodes, like how to run this server on other platforms or anything like that, or maybe use the API first locally. Thanks for watching. Catch you up in some next videos.